Hey, what's up, guys? My guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, for today, I just want to show you two licks you can apply when you're playing over your worship songs. When you're playing over worship improvisation. Okay. So without wasting much of the time, I would like us to go straight to the video. But if you know that this is your first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, guys. So I want to do the key of D. Okay, like the key of D on the third string. Yeah, we have it here on the second string. Okay. So when you are on your one chord, maybe we are playing a worship song. You are on the one chord, okay? When you want to get some licks, you can apply there. You can play something. Okay, something like that. Okay. Okay. So harmonize from the T to the Do, then harmonize from the La to the T again. Okay, stop like this. Okay, okay. La, Sol, Mi, Do. I slide the Mi. Okay. Okay, I told you in my previous video, mostly when you're playing your notes, don't always play your note on the neutral tones. Okay, always try to slide your note, stuff like this, stuff like that. Okay, so that is the first lick, and the second lick I want to show you there is I want you to play something like this. Okay, stuff like that. It goes well when you're on your one chord, which is your Do. I'm on the sus chord there, on the D sus chord, D sus 2. Okay. So what I'm playing there is from the Mi T. Okay. Mi Ma Mi Ti. Okay. Mi Ma Mi Ti. Okay. Ti Ti Mi. Okay. So when you come to this shape, you play that Mi from the Re and Mi again. Re Mi Sol. Okay. You pull on from the Mi to the Re, okay, and you go. Mi, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do. You play kind of pull on. La, Do, okay. Okay. Okay, so the technique there I will apply in additional is you can play something like this. Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, okay. Mi, Va, Sol. Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Va, Sol, Mi, Do. Okay. You play from that Re to the Mi again. Okay. Okay, I believe if you try to see how you can apply these licks whenever you're in your worship section, it's going to sound well, it's going to sound better whenever you're soloing, okay, whenever you're improvising. Okay. Okay. So wherever you don't understand, hit up in the comment section. I'll give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.